What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Stoyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we're going to be going over the entire 2025 Brinkley Model Z lineup. Just got back from the RV show in Indiana, and Brinkley was showcasing two new floor plans that I will show you. I'll start the video off with those two, the 2670 Model Z and the 3515, and then we'll get into the rest of the lineup. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of these floor plans, especially the new ones. Let's get right into it. First up is Brinkley's lightest model to date, the Model Z 2670. While it is on the heavier side, not quite a half-ton, this is a classic half-ton floor plan that's always seen lots of success. A lot of times it's going to have a rear dinette, but Brinkley's foldable table there kind of allows you to have a couch and theater seats. You got a left side of the camper staircase with that typical Brinkley bathroom. And no bed slide up front. You got your queen bed, but it does still have washer dryer prep in that closet there. This was a great addition to the lineup by Brinkley. Next up, the next newest one, the Brinkley Model Z 3515. This is going to give you a bonus room in the back. This is set up pretty similar to the 3110 Model Z, if you've seen that one. If not, it'll be shown later in this video. But instead of bunks in the back, you are getting a bonus room. This one is much longer than the 3110, but setup is still pretty similar. Here you have it set up as a desk, which is a fantastic choice. A lot of people are looking for that with working at home. But it also does have washer, dryer, hookups. And that desk does raise up on its own. You just press that button over there to get it up, and then you can add your washer, dryer, and really use that room however you want. Maybe as a mud room, but it does have an entrance on the off-door side there. Then, of course, you got your incredible Brinkley king bed slide bedroom, which always impresses. Next up is the Model Z 3400. This one has been out for quite a while now. This one is the rear patio. This one is an entertainer's dream. Different setup than the 3100, typical rear living with a fridge on the backside. But here's a look at that patio there. And you got a TV, mini fridge, sink. You can even store some e-bikes in there with that door. But yeah, a little different setup than the typical rear living, but having the fridge on the back really does open it up. And not the typical Brinkley king bed slide bedroom. You do have access from the bedroom straight to the bathroom, which you don't on the 3100. Now here is the Brinkley Model Z 3110 bunkhouse. I did allude to this one earlier. This is their first true bunkhouse of the Model Z series. And while it is shorter than the 3515, you see how it's set up similar with this couch in the back here. There's a look at that beautiful living room. And here is your bunkhouse. Double over double bunks. Already comes with the TV and lots of storage. It does have a door, so the kids do get a private bunk room, which they are going to love. They love having that independence. And this one is more of the Brinkley Model Z 2900 bedroom with the wardrobe slide and the queen bed, and you do get access between the bedroom and the bathroom right there. Next up, the 3610, the mid bunk. This is their largest floor plan to date. On the backside, that typical Brinkley rear living setup that you see on the Model Z 3100 and 2900, with the theater seats, the sofa, and the televator, and of course that Brinkley dinette you see on the right side there that is now standard on pretty much all Model Zs. Here's your mid-bunk room. You got the bottom one set up as a pull-out sofa. You get your TV there with tons and tons of storage, and that big mirror and flip-down bunk. Super long hallway, which brings you to the bathroom. Again, the standard bathroom on the Brinkley 3100 with the king bed slide. Next up, the second OG, the 2900 Model Z. again, that rear living setup that is so common in these RVs nowadays, but it is still my favorite setup, in my opinion. Rear living fifth wheels really just do the job overall, especially when you get the theater seats and the sofa like this. Now here's that 2900 bedroom, which is the queen bed. Saw this on the 3110. You get the wardrobe slide and access straight between the bedroom and bathroom that you can walk between. And finally, the original, the Brinkley Model Z 3100. Obviously, this and the 2900 and the 3610 for that matter share the exact same back half of it, with the televator, the big island, and the big pantry. And again, there's that typical one-door bedroom, and then you got the king bed slide bedroom with the wardrobe closet, washer dryer prep. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you liked the video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these floor plans, especially the 2670, 3515, and let me know what you guys want to see Brinkley do next. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And as always, happy camping.